Research topic, Knowledge of Nutrition and Immunity by Sadie Udy. Introduction. There have been many studies showing the relationship between nutrition and immunity, but we wanted to take a different approach to see if a person's knowledge of nutrition and immunity would reflect in the way they ate. If we could find any significant results, it may serve as justification to implement a program to help educate others to improve their eating habits and their overall health. We found many different studies that gave us a background on this topic. We did find out there is a relationship between immunity and your diet. Women in their third trimester were tested to see if their diet were affected the health of their baby and their microbiome levels, and the results were significant. Microbiome levels have to do with your immune system. We also found out by the age of 3, children have established their gut health they will utilize in their adult years. So with this information, we came up with 2 questions we wanted to find out. Do those who report being married or having children have a better diet than those who don't? And do those with good nutrition have a better understanding of the relationship between nutrition and the immune system than those who don't? We, for our methods, took a simple random sampling of 300 BYU students. We got 34 results back. In light of our literature review, we wanted to focus on the family demographic, so we asked if they were married or not, and if they had children or not. We asked what kind of food they ate, specifically the serving sizes of the different food groups. And one final question, we asked if diet had any effect on their immune system. With all of this information, we categorized it, put it in Qualtrics and Excel, made these tables. These first 2 tables have to do with the first research question, junk food in relation to children, yes or no, marital status, married or single. We ran a chi-square test, got a p-value of 0.4, which was insignificant. And for our second research question, we wanted to see relation between vegetable serving size and their knowledge of diet affecting their immune system or not. So we have people having knowledge of it, no knowledge. Low serving sizes was none to 3 vegetable servings a day. 3+ was our higher servings. With this, we ran a chi-square test and got 0.9, which was also insignificant. So our results were pretty disappointing, but we think that we should have been more specific in our questions, asking them the serving sizes to be more precise when asking those questions by giving them the exact serving sizes. The construction of proper questions for a future study could help improve the results. In the future studies, it would be nice to see if a person would be more proactive in having a proper diet when they have a knowledge of nutrition and immunity. Below are some of the resources we gathered from our literature review and used for our research paper.